Welcome to the third tutorial on philosophy in Islam. We will be looking at the nature and importance of miracles in Islam, examples of miracles, the Qur'an as a miracle and related case studies. For religious people, a miracle is a divine action that breaks the laws of nature that is created by God. For non-religious people, they may be described as very significant events that are rare or unexpected. In Islam, a miracle is a unique and unexplainable event that is performed by or with Allah's permission. They have played an important part in showing that prophets are real or to reveal the existence of Allah. One of the most famous miracles is when Musa parted the Red Sea to help the Hebrews escape from Pharaoh, known as Fir'aun in Arabic. Muslims believe this was a direct intervention from Allah. Muslims interpret this miracle in different ways. Some say Allah broke the laws of nature to make this happen. Others say Allah worked through nature, allowing Musa to take advantage of the tide going out so the Hebrews could cross the seabed. Muslims believe that the greatest miracle of all is the revelation of the Qur'an to Muhammad. This is because it is beyond the capability of the human mind to produce such a book. It says no person could produce anything like it. The word ayah in Arabic means both verse and also a sign. So, for Muslims, every verse of the Qur'an is a miracle. Miracles are examples of Allah's great power and control over nature. In the Battle of Badr, there were 313 Muslims against 1,000 non-believers. The Muslims won and said they felt angels fighting with them. This is evidence of a miracle from Allah. Shia Muslims believe that miracles show a special connection with Allah. They go beyond natural possibilities. They go against the laws of nature, but they do not go against the laws of Allah. In the exam you might be asked to explain Muslim beliefs about miracles. You might also be asked to argue for and against whether miracles are real or not, using Muslim and non-religious points of view. In summary, Muslims believe miracles are extraordinary events that demonstrate the truth of prophets and prove Allah's existence. The greatest miracle is the revelation of the Qur'an.